What do you want to tell Papa?
The Swiss Island. We're gonna go to Sweden.
And what does he need to do?
We need a habitat and we need to go to the beach. But we wash the pajamas and wash the fish and snacks and dinner.
And dinner. Okay, do we need to take anything else?
Right, we can take one toy.
Okay. And what do we do when we get there?
We don't flash, but we need to fly a big, huge habitat that has 2 rims that it can go with 2 cylinders. See? And it connects to the engine zone.
Oh, and then what is that?
This is a centipede that we're going to see when we crash. And then we're going to go in some cave. And then we're going to climb on some rocks. And then there's not going to be a big lizard because it's this time. And there's not going to be big ants.
Oh, okay. So, but let's just pretend.
Big ants are on, it's this pretend no movie, so we're not going to see those at the Swiss Islands, and not the big lizard either, but we're going to see the centipede.
You're going to see the centipede at the mysterious island?
Yeah, and by the book, there's another centipede, and there's 2 centipedes, and they are mothers of their age.
All right, sounds good. Anything else that we need to tell them?
Yes. And there'll be so much bugs, and we can bring pop too.
Pop?
Yeah.
Oh, you get to drink pop there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can bring our cups, and we can bring all kinds of greens.
Okay. All right.
And we can bring some plates, and we even can bring as recreate. And we're gonna bring the donuts and the M&M's, and we can bring some apples and bananas.
Sounds good.
So, are you done with this video?